Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Tnad Social Welfare ha Sngi kong katayo ka Rakhe International Women's Day ka Sngi Kyrpang Kynthei ha Lok Bhavan Shillong Shibanta kum kadak jing pendap ya ka Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. Ya ka ni jing Rakhe la penyat daga State Sankalp Hub for Empowerment of Women ha jing trilang bat ka Health and Family Welfare Department ka Tnad PHE bat ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society halor ka phang pedeng ka baong Give to Gain. Haga program na dan ringkat unang aibut ke Tnad Social Welfare Department oba polling do ke MLA ke kong Santa Mary Shila ki officer barang ba ke sarkar jila ki nong syak khot ngobha bar ki Kynthei ki bayo ki Jingjop hagi liang ba pher ki bar syak Pynkup Burom haga ni Sngi haba ajingkran haga ni Sngi ulat ke jila UCH Vijaya Shankar ula ong ba ke jing Pynkup Burom ki Kynthei bar ke jing pentikena ban aya ke juok ke lat yaki kalong ke badan kambha ban penklan na ke benta ban te ya ke imlang ke salang ulat ula ong ru bakan ga jingalang katrwa ya ga lat ban petyang ya jingjop makila yo bat ban pen thama ya jing Pynkup bor na ga benta ga jing bha jing myap jongki habe dei barki kendon jong kariti sanshar kari ula banjur ba jing ringkat kalong kat kum ka article khatsan jong kariti sanshar kari India ka bakhang persha ya jing sngo ya pher jat bin riu ka jing sngo pher rong sni do ka jing sngo pher jinget ne ga jing sngo pher Kynthei ni shinra ulat ulapun pau ka jing sngo khya ka be dei ba ka jing jur ka jing shong kha khna da ka baong ba ka ni ka mat ka khta ya ka kwat ka khya ka puli puthi bat ki bei pat ki lat ha ka lowe jong ki khna Kynthei ha Meghalaya bat ha baro ka bei ka ri India ula banjur ka jinon kam bandon ka jing pun sngo tho bat ka jing pun bha ha ka puli puthi bat kum jo ka jing kershan ha gi nong shong shnong ban kran halor ka ni ka jing e Hagan ni jing Rakhe ka Tnad Social Welfare ka Pynkup Burom ki Kynthei ba yo ik jingjop ba pher bakan thop ha ka kam ya le kai ka sing kam sing jam ka rep karyang bat ki wei pat ki benta
Are being presented. Madam, for being here with us. It is now a pleasure to honor our guest of honor, Srimati Santa Mary Shila, Sampat Kumar, IAS, Development Commissioner and Principal Secretary, Social Welfare Department, Health and Community and Rural Development Department. With remarkable distinction in ultra marathons across the country, completing over 100 races and achieving outstanding feats such as the standing second in the Kardungla Challenge, one of the highest ultra marathons in the world. Let's acknowledge this dedication, please, with a round of applause. Dr. Janita Mary Nongunri to receive the prestigious ISRO Young Scientist Award. Through her work at the Northeastern Space Application Center, she continues to contemporary textiles using airy silk and other fabrics. A warm applause for this remarkable contribution. Of Srimati Randhita C.H. Samba while supporting livelihoods within her community. She learned tailoring and opened her own shop. Today, as a community-based rehabilitation worker, she reaches out to persons with disabilities across 31 villages. Her story reminds us that true strength nongrang. The shawl is being presented by transforming locally grown produce into value-added products. Today, her enterprise produces spices, jams, pickles, and fruit-based products that reaches a number. Sustainable innovation, creating beautiful bamboo and cane kitchenware and decor. Through her work, she had trained artisans, created employment, and helped showcase indigenous skills beyond Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, may we put our hands together in appreciation for their inspiring journey. Hills, she turned her passion for designing into a thriving enterprise. Through her brands and training centers, she has not only built a successful fashion business, but also trained and inspired many young people to pursue careers in design and entrepreneurship.
Auspicious occasion of International Women's Day, the Government of India, under the Jal Jeevan Mission, proudly launches Jal Mahotsav Pakwada, a national fortnight dedicated to placing water at heart of India social, cultural and development journey. I am so happy to be here during this International Women's Day celebration and 11th year of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Respected Paul Linglodi, Honorable Shanta Mary ji, Sampath Kumar ji, Praveen Bekshi ji, Lady Governor, and respected officers, ladies and gentlemen. Before I begin my speech, few words of, I think, uttered by Lord Krishna. It has come to my mind. Lord Krishna says that यत्र नारिस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवताः. जिस जगह पर नारी के सम्मान होती है, जिस जगह पर नारी की आदर होती है, भगवान उस जगह पर रहते हैं. ये नारी को सकल गौरव जिस समाज में प्राप्त होती है, नारी का सम्मान होती है, भगवान उस जगह पर रहते हैं. And second thing, I am very proud to say, to be the governor of Meghalaya. Of course, Paul Linglodi mentioned this. This particularly Meghalaya, it is a female-dominated society. Reasons whatever it may be, but it is a female-dominated society. Whereas in case of rest of the other part of India, including my home state Karnataka, the ancestors' property right, I being the eldest son of the family, it comes to me. It is going to be transferred in my name. But whereas in case of Meghalaya, it is not like that. Ultimately, ancestors' property right, ultimately, it goes to the youngest daughter of the family. It goes to the youngest daughter of the family. You see, my name is Vijay Shankar. Along with my name, my father's name is there, Chandrasekhar. But whereas in case of Meghalaya, it is not like that. They are not going to mention father name. They are going to mention their mother name. And the beauty of Meghalaya, because it is being treated as land of heaven. Sometimes I feel it is a true and fact also. Whereas in case of rest of the other part of Meghalaya, of course some part of Kasaragod near Kerala, some part of Mangalore, border of Karnataka, we are able to see this kind of traditions. But whereas in case of Meghalaya, as soon as a boy gets married, a girl, a boy is supposed to come to girl's house. But in our area, it's not like that. As soon as a girl is going to get married, she is supposed to come to boy's house and stay there. But in case of Meghalaya, it is not like that. Boy is supposed to come to girl's house and he is supposed to stay there. See the beauty and importance given to a lady. Importance given to a lady by the society, accepted by the society, recognized by the society, honored by the society. Lady and character of lady and this particular personality, it is being considered and honored like anything in the state of Meghalaya. In that way, really, I'm very proud, and I'm proud to say, if at all I'm supposed to stand here, the main moral support, always guided by my mother, She inspired me. You take any personality, any successful personality you take on the earth, in every successful personality, a woman is there, behind the screen. Without her, contribution, without her support, nothing we can achieve. So this discrimination between male and female, this should go. Both are equal. This is the message we have to give, particularly on this day. So that we are going to conduct this International Women's Day today. The main purpose, the main motto, main intention, to say and tell and send the message to the society at large, no discrimination between male and female. When female also can achieve anything, can become anything. God never made such discrimination. But all some discrimination is there only because of weak people. He never made such discrimination. Just because she is male, she cannot do that, she cannot achieve, she cannot come on certain forums. It is not like that. So this is the message we have to give to the society at large. I am delighted to join you today at Lok Bhavan to celebrate International Women's Day and also to celebrate the completion of 11th year Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. The flagship program of the Union government under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister of the country, Sri Narendra Modi ji. On this day, we must review what has been achieved so far and renew our commitment towards the empowerment and well-being of women. So many of the achievers we have called and honored them. This is the time to what would be our commitment and concern in the coming days. It is an opportunity to make stronger plans, work together with greater determination and further strengthen of our efforts to ensure equality, safety, education and opportunities for every woman in our society. You see, we have to think what actually Constitution speaks. Constitution of India. If at all you speak about Article 15 of the Indian Constitution, Article 15 clearly says states shall not make any discrimination on the basis of caste. Article 15 of the Indian Constitution, it speaks clearly, tells us clearly, states shall not make any discrimination on the basis of caste, on the basis of color, on the basis of creed, and on the basis of sex. If at all any discrimination is there among these issues, ultimately it is unconstitutional. It is unconstitutional. It is against the Constitution. International Women's Day is a special occasion to recognize the achievements, strength, and contribution of women in every field of our life. This day was designated by the United Nations in December 1977 to observe as UN Day for Women's Rights and International Peace. It reflects the progress made towards the gender equality while also reminding us to empower women through education, opportunities, and equal participation in society. The Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao initiative, which completes 11 years, has played a significant role in promoting the value of girl child. The scheme focuses on protecting the girl child, ensuring her education, and creating an environment where she can grow with dignity and confidence across the country. It has helped raise awareness about the gender equality and the importance and investing in our daughters. So one thing I have to mention here, being and holding this responsible position, this all of us, we have to think it very seriously. This teenage pregnancy, that we have to think it very seriously. That shouldn't happen in case of anybody, in case of anybody's life. That we have to think very seriously. Teenage pregnancy remains a serious concern in several parts of not only Meghalaya, in the entire country, affecting the health, education, and future opportunities of young girls. Addressing this issue requires greater awareness, access to education, stronger community support, and effective implementation of health and social welfare programs. I think some of the social workers better go to each and every colleges, better go to each and every high schools and create awareness in the mind of younger community, younger generation. I appreciate the effort of Social Welfare Department and its partner departments through the State Sankalp Hub for Empowerment of Women initiative. Such collaborative initiatives helps bring together various programs aimed to improving the lives of women and girls. Today's program highlights several important aspects, from promoting health and sanitation to encouraging adoption of children with special needs, recognizing women achievers and supporting welfare initiatives such as sanitary pad, vending machines, and medical kits. These steps reflects the comprehensive approach towards the women well-being and empowerment. On this occasion, I congratulate all the women achievers. Your dedication and hard work inspire others and show what determination and courage can achieve. You are the role models for the younger community, younger generation. Let us all work together to ensure that every girl child receives education and every woman gets an opportunity to realize her potential, and every community support equality and dignity for women. On this meaningful occasion, I once again extend my warm greetings to all women of Meghalaya and wish this celebration a great success. Kuble, Mithila, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks to all of you.
Ya don kanu ka kamru ka bangin hap ya keren ya penbek ki kamru ku mengalong ya piminem don kamra songkai ni songin ya keren yi hang ni barako kata kalong ka tarkom im yang diri undai langit ndaki briu ke ya be kata ka kum ka juk ka bamta kanduk kini ka jong man barim bon ki ai baro ki balik uman barim ki ladu